The games that deliver the best long-term value are usually the ones that keep adding new competitions or reward opportunities, instead of relying on one-time sign-up bonuses. By the end, you'll know 5 games and gaming platforms that remain useful over time, and why players continue using them instead of uninstalling after a few days. The first app is Play. Play isn't a single game. It's a platform that rewards Android users for playing supported mobile games. As new games become available, you can switch to different titles without creating a completely new earning routine. That steady rotation helps keep earning opportunities available over the long term. The second app is Rewarded Play. Rewarded Play also rewards users for reaching milestones in supported games. Different games have different objectives, so checking each offer before installing helps you focus on activities that match your interests. The third app is Bubble Cash. Bubble Cash is a competitive bubble shooter where eligible players can participate in skill-based cash tournaments where available. Improving your gameplay matters because stronger scores increase your ability to compete consistently. Now, let's finish with 2 more options. The fourth app is Solitaire Cash. Solitaire Cash builds on the classic card game by matching players in skill-based competitions. If you're already comfortable with traditional solitaire, the learning curve is much shorter than starting a completely unfamiliar game. The fifth app is Blackout Bingo. Blackout Bingo combines fast-paced bingo with quick decision-making and score-based competition. Practice improves reaction speed and pattern recognition, making consistent performance more realistic over time. Long-term success isn't only about choosing the right app. Keep your account information updated, review each game's eligibility rules, and check your reward or transaction history regularly. If an expected reward doesn't appear, contact customer support before deleting the app, because your account history may help resolve the issue. It's also smart to avoid spending all your time on one game. Switching between supported games or platforms keeps your options open when new tournaments or reward opportunities become available. The biggest takeaway is that Play and Rewarded Play provide long-term value by regularly introducing supported games, while Bubble Cash, Solitaire Cash, and Blackout Bingo reward players who continue improving their skills. The better your chosen app matches your playing style, the more likely you'll continue using it. Your next step is to pick one reward platform and one competitive game. Spend time learning both, and decide which one fits your routine best. If this guide helped you discover games with strong long-term earning potential, like the video and subscribe for more game reviews, payout guides, and weekly updates.